Hi, everybody, and I hope you all are having a good day wherever you are. And I apologize, I am not looking the best. I have on my nightgown, no makeup, my hair up. It's 3 o'clock in the morning. I was getting ready to go to bed, but then I remembered that I had recorded this video previously to go up for the 14 days of love, and when I recorded it there was no sound, so my videos are going to kind of run together, but tomorrow I should be back on schedule. So right now I'm filming video number 6, which was due technically day before yesterday. Video number 7 is going to go up tonight, which I did today, and then video 8 I will do tomorrow, which is going to be a lookbook and or a tutorial. So it just depends. But anyway, today for the 6th day of the 14 days of love, we are going to be talking about Valentine's Day cards. Valentine's Day cards. Aside from like the gifts matter, of course, but like sometimes a good card showing somebody how you feel about them, and like that can be like the best gift, especially when it's personalized and you put a lot of work into it. You know what I mean? It's funny how when we were younger, we were taught to like make stuff, not just buy a card or whatever. Make a card. In kindergarten, we have to make a card, make a birthday card, make this card. But then as we got older, it's just like, oh, just go buy a card. Oh, just buy them a birthday card. Oh, just buy her, a card for, we go buy the cards. Now, well, not really now, but I feel like for Valentine's Day, it's important to actually go back to what you did when you were younger and make the cards. To me, it just says that you're putting a lot of effort and that you really want to be personable to that person, just to let them know that I did this for you. I didn't just simply go to CVS or Kmart and just, I say that because they're the best card places with cards. But just to show, I didn't go to CVS and Kmart just to pick out a card that sounds good and that was it. Like, I mean that's fine too, but I feel like making cards is good. And that's what we're going to do today. So making a card does not have to be expensive at all, and it doesn't have to be just plainly like writing or whatever. Today we have these computer programs. We can actually write script and then post it onto a card, or like print it out and then cut and then paste into a card. But I would really say, unless you want to go all out creative, you do not have to spend over $10 for this card to make. And I'm kind of exaggerating with that, and I'm gonna tell you why. So I don't know that you're aware, but during this time, during all the seasons, Target has a little section in the front that has items and things particularized to the certain season. So right now, I imagine that if you go in Target and go in that little $1, $3, $5 sections, sometimes $10, I think some stuff is in there. But yeah, if you go to that section, I guarantee you that you will find Valentine's Day cards and decorations. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Some of these decorations, I think I want. Oh yeah, they're just $1. Like, how can you beat that? Okay, so I have this. Ooh, that was bright. These 3 little arrows. It's so pretty. But yeah, I didn't use this in a card. But I just bought this stuff last year, I believe, just so I can I wanted to do myself a Valentine. But I didn't. I just decorated. But yeah, these are $1. Cute little arrows. They also have these. Excuse me. I don't know why when I get to talk for a video, my throat gets, But they also have these cute little adhesive feathers. And these are so adorable. I love these. They have these little stickers, and it's like the sticker is made out of like a plastic is not the right word, but like a cookie sheet. You know how the cookie sheets, how they feel? No, the thicker part of them. Anyway, y'all know what I'm talking about, I hope. But like what they do is they put the confetti inside and then they sew it together and then put this on. That's so cute. I got a pack of these just to have it. Sorry, that's a little wasteful. A little extra money that I could have saved an extra $1, but I wanted to, because I really did like that. I just hit my mic. Oops, sorry. So one way that I decorated, I had also found these cards. So let me show you the actual cards rather than the ones I decorated. I saw these cards, and blue is my favorite color. Ideally, I would have something pink because it's Valentine's Day, but blue is like my favorite color, and I thought these were adorable. They're blank in the inside. They're actually white in the inside. I didn't know that. But they're white in the inside, and they come with their own envelopes. I think you get 10 in a pack. And, ooh, I'm kind of suffering here. Okay. You get 10 in a pack, and then they come in like little nice teal envelopes, and then the envelope flap is this color. It's so cute. And so I decorated mine using the XO and the Love and Be Mine stickers. I thought that this would be so cute. Those feathers I showed you and the arrows would have gone good on here too. But yeah, and then here's the Be Mine. Baby, be mine. Baby, you gotta be mine. Tell me that you love me all the time. Let me know down below who sings that song. Okay, and then the love one. So another decoration, I'd put this separate from the other ones because this decoration actually would go with the cards that I'm about to show you. But this is pretty hard. I think I've seen this at Target this season too. But it says Be Mine, Be Mine, Valentine, XOXO, and it has an arrow and 2 hearts. It's so cute and looks so fancy. And then Target also had these like paper bag brown envelopes and cards. So I decorated them. Of course, I think you get that by now. But this is one decoration. This is kind of like a cloth-like texture. Love and XO and heart. This says you and me. And I would have decorated these a little bit better had I had more stuff, but I think I had spent a little bit too much than what I needed to have for this not to even be going to anybody. But then this one, that's pretty. Oh yeah, this one's pretty right here. And then I have this. Yeah. And they also had these cute little envelopes that were like $1 that I got, and I actually put them on. Look at the little envelopes. Isn't that cute? You see my eye? I'm so weird. But yeah, the little envelopes, that's so cute. One is open, one is closed, and they have the little love stickers. And then here's another one. And then so for these envelopes, I had silver. What was that open? For these envelopes, I had silver, little gold, little sayings to go with them. Love, XO, love. Yes. And then what I really liked is I had there was this also I saw these. They were paperback brown, but they had the little red glitter flap. But yeah, I decided to decorate these with the red, like the gold ones I just showed you, and some red sequins and a little brown envelope. So cute. Now, of course, I could have decorated these better, but I was trying to just, But yeah, let me know what you think about these ideas. Are you going to personalize your Valentine's Day card? You can go out, get a big red construction piece of paper and make that into a heart. You can make one of those big cards. I mean, just be creative and let it come from the heart, because that's going to be what really matters. And I feel like this is a way to add a little bit of fun to Valentine's Day. Maybe you and your maybe you and your boo can make them for each other. Who knows? All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video.